I was actually impressed how much you can stuff in here. I don't know, day and night. It is just amazing. And that is just because of you guys, because you reposted it and liked us. As you see, the new shop is several times the size of the old shop. We will get here a second lift right beside it. So I'm very grateful actually for your support, because without you, it wouldn't be possible. So guys, we have some big news, but more in a minute. Before I gave you a hint what probably comes next, as you know, we do a lot of Land Cruisers, like a lot of them, 80s, 100s, 60s, and they are big cars. And in our shop now in Austria, it is just too small. It is, problematic now. Too much cars and not enough space. So we started actually a new business venture, because we are really close to the Hungarian border where we live. We made the decision that we probably will make a shop in Hungary, also make a company there. And what can I say, we did it. So we will drive down now to Hungary and you will see the new shop. And we have also another business venture what is connected to this shop in Hungary, but that will be a surprise until we reveal that. The guys who follow us on Instagram got a little hint what it might be, but you will see it. We have arrived. We are at the new shop. Come take a look. As you see, the new shop has several times the size of the old shop. We needed this space. Most of the time we did our own Land Cruisers or Land Cruisers I knew from friends. But now, we have a lot of people asking if we can repair Land Cruisers. And that's why we needed something bigger and more professional. And we have already 3 cars standing in here, and it is still big. Also, we have now a heavy-duty lift to also be able to lift 200 series Land Cruiser. This is a 5-ton lift. If you compare it to the old lift in the old shop, that thing is heavy duty, and the old thing is garbage. More or less unsafe garbage. We will get here a second lift right beside it. Also a heavy-duty lift, because mainly Land Cruisers and they tend to be heavy. Makes life a lot easier if you can lift it all the way and you don't have to fear for your life. We will get the welding table also down here, the welder, lot of tools, and probably office container, something like that. We will also put some new workbenches in here, some heavy duty ones, and a lot bigger than I had it before, because the small ones, they just suck. The welding table, probably the welding area will be around here with the cars, and just in here for now, we will put a welding section so the dust stays in one side of the shop and not everywhere as we have it now. And the old shop it was so, you did something and it was dirty inside because it was all one space. And here I actually overdid it in every possible way. So when we started our journey with ranching lifestyle, actually we did just our own Land Cruisers, 61 and 40 and all the little stuff. But because ranching just got bigger and bigger, not only YouTube, also social media, and that is just because of you guys, because you reposted it and liked us. Now a lot of people are asking if I can repair their Land Cruisers, and it is actually thanks to you. As you see, my 61 is here, and the white 60. The white 60 is actually finished besides the engine, but because the floor here is so shiny and you can so easy roll things, we decided we will finish it down here. Makes life just so much easier. We have space now, lots of space, And in front of the shop we have another 2,500 square feet of open space. The shop itself has 2,500 square feet. After all, we have 5,000 square feet to put stuff. And I mean, the old shop was like 1,400, 1,500 square feet. I mean, it's a big jump. And I already, when I put the first things in here and the first car, I was actually impressed how much you can stuff in here. I mean, I know in probably 2 months or so everything will be full packed with cars and I will complain, oh, the space is too small, but for now it is big. Now we get some other small tools in here I have on the pickup for the last 5 days. And then, yeah, we will see. So we brought down my good old saw, metal saw, also the little drill I mostly use for cleaning just wells, and the press. I mean, we will buy for sure this year a lot of new tools and probably also get something new in time in terms of a shop truck. The trusty old Mazda starts to break apart. But he's still a good car. But for sure we will build something this year for the shop, because we have now a real one. So actually, when you get like a new shop, the thing is, in the old shop, everything would stand in here now, occupied there like lots of space, and I actually had no space to move or put things. And now it is like, I mean, you hear it on my voice. It is like I'm in a cathedral for me. I mean, for now. It's just exciting for me, the feeling just to have space and be able to just work on it without having the fear I hit a door on a wall or something. I don't know, day and night. It is just amazing. So I'm very grateful actually for your support, because without you, it wouldn't be possible. You will be with us on our new journey. And that's actually the end of the episode. I know it was a short episode, but it was just bringing stuff down here. Still, for me it is actually amazing and I enjoy it that I have something new, and I hope we will see us the next time on our next episode, on our journey, on my journey, on my brother's journey. And thank you guys.